derived from the Sanskrit word for wheel, are energy centers within our bodies. There are 7 main chakras, each corresponding to a specific area of our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. These are the root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakras. Now, what role do crystals play? Well, crystals are believed to possess unique frequencies and energies. When used in meditation, they can help in aligning and balancing our chakras, promoting a flow of positive energy. Crystal meditation thereby provides a pathway to inner peace, emotional healing, and spiritual growth. The benefits are immense. From stress reduction and enhanced intuition to improved focus and clarity, crystal meditation can truly enrich your life, offering a sense of balance and harmony. Now that you have a basic understanding of chakras and crystal meditation, let's move on to how to perform it. To start your crystal meditation, the first step is choosing the right crystals. Crystals come in a vibrant array of colors and sizes, each resonating with a particular chakra. For instance, the radiant red of a ruby or garnet can stimulate the base chakra, while the soothing blue of lapis lazuli or sodalite is perfect for the throat chakra. Choosing a crystal isn't just about picking a pretty stone, it's about selecting one that vibes with your energy. When you're in a crystal shop, let your intuition guide you. You might be drawn to a citrine's warm glow for your solar plexus chakra, or feel a deep connection with an amethyst for your crown chakra. Remember, there's no right or wrong choice. The perfect crystal is the one you feel a connection with. So, take your time, trust your instincts, and let the crystals guide you. With your crystals at hand, you're ready to embark on your meditation journey. Now that you have your crystals, here's how to meditate with them. Begin by finding a quiet and peaceful space where you can meditate without interruption. Comfort is essential, so sit or lie down in a position that feels most natural and relaxing to you. Once you've found your tranquil haven, it's time to connect with your chosen crystal. Hold it in your hand, close your eyes, and take a moment to feel its energy. Every crystal has its unique vibration, and by holding it, you're tuning into its frequency. Now, let's move on to the breathing. Inhale deeply, hold for a beat, and then exhale slowly. Repeat this process, allowing your breath to become a rhythmic mantra. As you breathe, imagine the energy of the crystal flowing into your body, aligning with your chakras and beginning to unblock any stagnant energy. If you prefer a more tactile approach, you can place the crystal directly on the corresponding chakra. This method allows the crystal's energy to directly interact with the chakra. For instance, if you're working with a heart chakra stone like rose quartz, place it over your heart during your meditation. Alternatively, you can create a crystal grid. This involves arranging multiple crystals in a specific geometric pattern to amplify their energy. This method is particularly effective if you're looking to balance multiple chakras at once. Regardless of the technique you choose, visualize the crystal's energy flowing into you, unblocking and balancing your chakras. This visualization is a powerful tool that enhances the effectiveness of your meditation. Finally, conclude your meditation by expressing gratitude to your crystal for its assistance. This not only ends your session on a positive note, but also strengthens your connection with the crystal. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to meditate using crystals. The beauty of this process lies in its simplicity and adaptability. You can tailor it to suit your needs, preferences, and the specific energy of each crystal. Remember, the key to successful crystal meditation is patience and practice. With these steps, you're well equipped to start your crystal meditation journey. Let's take a moment to reflect. We've learned that chakras are energy centers in our body, and each one has a specific crystal that can help to unblock and balance its energy. We've explored how to choose the right crystals, focusing on their color, shape, and the intuitive pull we feel towards them. And of course, we've delved into the process of crystal meditation itself, learning how to cleanse our chosen crystal, set our intentions, and meditate with the crystal to unblock our chakras. Regular practice of crystal meditation can lead to increased harmony, balance, and overall wellness. It's a journey of self-discovery and healing that is truly transformative, so why not give it a try? If you found this video helpful and want more meditation tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, happy meditating.